Hello everyone, today I will introduce one equipment for producing disposable compressed towels. Nowadays, compressed towels are very popular because they're small and light enough to carry around. And it has a wide range of applications, such as in hotels, homes, camping, business trips, and many more. Stay with me, I'll show you around. The machine is controlled by an intelligent program. Let me show you. The whole process is very smooth and actually very fast. The size of the towel can be adjusted freely, and the shape of the towel also can be customized according to special requirements. This machine is actually perfect for personalized production enterprises. Equipped with simultaneous humidification technology, one person can operate 3 sets of machines at the same time, reducing hand contact and reducing the risk of bacterial infection. The finished towel is automatically provided with its own packaging. It is ideal for assembly line operations, automated production, improving quality and reducing costs.